Hello, everyone. Our topic is the University of Michigan Studies, also known as Michigan Leadership Studies. In the 1950s, a series of studies on leadership were done in Michigan University under the general direction of Francis Likert, an American social psychologist. The main focus of which was to determine what the principles and methods of leadership were that led to productivity and job satisfaction. So, two types of leadership behaviors were identified. First one is employee orientation, and another is production orientation. So, in the first case, an employee oriented leader would be like someone who cares about the employees and cares about the satisfaction, motivation, and well being of employees. While in the second one, a production oriented leader would be task oriented and would focus on rules and have a close watch. You know, the usual type of bosses, get the work done types. So here we have tried to understand the Michigan studies and have depicted it through a radio show and tried to bring out the character of Mr. Peters according to his leadership. Hope you guys like it.
गुड मॉर्निंग ओबी क्लास। अभी दिन के बज रहे हैं 11 और मैं यानी आरजे कृतिका आपकी मॉर्निंग शानदार बनाने वाली हूँ। तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ 93.4 वीएफएम पर।
ब्रॉडबैंड तो लग गया, सब्सक्रिप्शन बढ़ गया, प्रॉफिट का प्रॉफिट फिर भी न बढ़ सका। ये क्या गजब हुआ, ये कैसे कब हुआ, न जानू मैं न जाने तुम। आप सुन रहे हैं 93.4 वीएफएम, आरजे मीशा और आरजे कृतिका के साथ। हाँ जी, तो वी आर बैक। आज की ताज़ा खबर, प्रॉफिटल का बिजनेस पानी में। अरे भाई, ये कैसे हुआ यार। अच्छा, उससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि आज के क्लोजअप पास आउट कंटेस्ट के विनर हैं चंपा देवी। आइए उनसे बात करते हैं।
हेलो।
हाय, मैं आरजे अमीशा बोल रही हूँ 93.4 वीएफएम से। चंपा देवी, आज आप हमारे क्लोजअप पास आउट कंटेस्ट के लकी विनर हो। और बताइए, कैसा है आपका दिन?
अच्छा, काय का लकी दिन भैया, सारा पैसा तो डुबा दिया इन प्रॉफिटल वालों ने हमारा। चलो फ़ोन रखो, सुबह सुबह दिमाग मत खराब करो हमारा।
अरे अरे, कोई बात नहीं, हम आपका दिन अच्छा बना देते हैं। बताओ, कौन सा गाना आप सुनना चाहेंगे?
अरे पहले उस पीटर को जाके पीटो, सारे शेयर्स मिट्टी में मिला दिए, हमारी बेटी की शादी के पैसे थे।
Okay, no worries. Well, let's lift up our mood with this upcoming song. Enjoy, guys.
ओ बेटा जी, ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम।
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my VFM 93.4. Today we have with us a few people who have been in the news lately. I'm sure you have heard about the Profital company. So here we have with us Mr. Lars Peters. The current news headlines say Profital offers company the worst value. So Mr. Peters, what do you wish to say about such headlines?
What do these people know about the telecom business? I have an experience of 12 years in this industry and I don't pay much heed to them.
So, recently the corporate ratings for employee satisfaction fall below the belt for the first time. What do you...
Yeah, telecom business is not everyone's cup of tea. So, letting go of some employees and in hiring new people is inevitable, and what's important is being decisive and going ahead. So most organizations fail here.
Right. I agree with your point of view. However, I would like to put forward my point that a decision must be taken keeping various things in mind, like whether customers would be satisfied and if there is a better alternative technology than this, etc. What's your take on this?
Yeah, I have worked with same strategy in previous two posting too. So my decision has been keeping the past result in mind, which have been positive. It had worked well. We invested in the latest wireless technology, reduced cost through layoffs, and deregulated the traditional business. This was our aim in Profital too. So you see, each situation is different. And talking of customer, whenever there is a shift from old to new, there is always some dissatisfaction.
Okay. Well, that has been great talking with you. Thanks for joining us and finding time in your busy schedule. Thank you.
Thank you so much for calling me on the show.
पीटर का एक्सपीरियंस काफी अच्छा था, पर डिसीजन मेकिंग कच्चा था, एम्प्लॉयज की नहीं सुनता था, बड़ा डोमिनेटिंग बंदा था. Du, 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 du.
तो आज का शो होता है यही समाप्त। मैं आरजे कृतिका आप सबसे ले रही हूँ अलविदा। कल मिलेंगे इसी टाइम पे किसी और नई जानी मानी हस्ती के साथ। तब तक के लिए अपने असाइनमेंट्स पूरे कर लो।